Great more earnings, everyone. Hi there. I'm Sherry Luz Bacaro from Davao City, Philippines, but currently staying here in Barobo, Surigao del Sur. But I'm excited to share something really exciting with you today that could transform the way you think about this product. Let's take a closer look. But before we dive into today's presentation, I'd like to take a moment to share a personal story with you that connects directly to the product I'm about to introduce. So, not too long ago, I had an experience that truly changed my perspective on health and wellness. I sprained my ankle pretty badly. As you can imagine, it was extremely painful, especially when I tried to walk. That's when I turned to the iTeracare device. I started using it later that night, and the next morning before going for a Christmas vacation in my hometown, the results were nothing short of remarkable. Within just 2 therapies, I noticed a significant reduction in pain and swelling. The healing process was much faster than I anticipated, and I felt more comfortable getting back to my daily activities. The iTeracare device uses advanced technology that really targets deep tissue and helps to promote faster healing. And I can personally attest to its effectiveness. I'm so thankful to iTeracare device. Now, disclaimer, the iTeracare blower is not a medical device yet. The iTeracare device is a certified household electrical appliance. It has been verified as safe to use, emitting no harmful radiation, and bears labels allowing for international distribution. Now, according to science and quantum physics, everything is energy. Do you believe that? And everything is vibrating. Atoms and molecules are in constant motion, oscillating at various frequencies. And the human body is an energy field. Wow, amazing, right? Moreover, Albert Einstein said that the future medicine will be the medicine of frequencies. I believe Einstein's statement is more relevant than ever. With the rise of frequency-based therapies, we are rediscovering how energy influences our health. And the good news is the future is here. Type future is here. Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you. Type it. So there is a secret healing system in our body that no one is talking about. Now, our bodies have built-in healing system that works silently and automatically. This includes our immune system. While modern medicine focuses on treating symptoms, this hidden system has the power to heal us from within. Amazing, right? The key is to activate and support it through the right nutrition, mindset, environment, and the right technology. Now, the natural healing force within each one of us is the greatest force in getting well, according to Hippocrates. And every cell in our body vibrates at a certain frequency. When we are healthy, these frequencies are balanced. But stress, toxins, and illness can lower these vibrations, leading to disease. So in this sense, all diseases can be seen as a drop in frequency, and restoring balance may support healing. So this is according to Dr. Joe Dispenza. Ladies and gentlemen, we are so blessed because we have the world's #1 terahertz light wave device, the iTeracare. It uses advanced frequency technology to stimulate and restore the body's natural vibrations, promoting self-healing by targeting cells with the right frequencies. It helps improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and enhance overall well-being. It's like giving your body the energy boost it needs to function at its best. Now, the question is, what is terahertz frequency? So it was in 1980 that an American scientist discovered the terahertz waves. Terahertz is an electromagnetic wave band situated between microwave and infrared with wavelengths ranging from 30 to 3000 micrometer. The I-Terahertz terahertz gap or sweet spot is between 2 to 17 terahertz, which is highly suitable for the human body. So again, this is very safe, non-ionizing frequency. The American scientists call this the wave of life. The Japanese call this the light of life. And the Chinese scientists call this as God's wave band. Wow, amazing. The I-Terahertz technology falls within a frequency range that resonates naturally with human cells. This range is believed to enhance cellular function, improve blood circulation, and support the body's self-healing processes. So since terahertz waves can penetrate deeply without causing harm, they are considered beneficial for activating and energizing cells at a molecular level. And we are so blessed because the benefits of this technology has gone through 8 years of research and development. So great news, each I-Terahertz device comes with official certification from the prestigious Beijing Research Institute. These certificates confirm the quality, safety, and effectiveness of the device. Amazing. Of course, we are ensured that we can receive a trusted and scientifically validated product so we can experience the power of terahertz technology with confidence. Prive International is the exclusive and official distributor of the I-Terahertz device worldwide. So as a trusted company, Prive International ensures that every device is authentic, high quality, and certified. So beware of imitations. Only Prive International provides genuine I-Terahertz products with proper certification and support. So get yours from the only authorized source. Okay? So Professor Yang Wenjun, a renowned scientist and expert in terahertz technology, is the brilliant mind behind the I-Terahertz device. With years of research in quantum physics and bioenergetics, he played a key role in developing this revolutionary technology. As we can see the picture on the right, that is the first terahertz device, which costs over 20 million pesos or $400,000. So don't you worry, guys, because the I-Terahertz device has gone through several evolutions, continuously improving in technology and effectiveness, and each new version has been enhanced for better performance, durability, and user experience. Today, I-Terahertz offers multiple versions. We have the professional grade or the I-Terahertz Pro, the entry level, which is the I-Terahertz Classic device, and the 5th generation I-Terahertz device, which has enhanced features. This is the I-Terahertz Premium Plus, and each designed to meet different needs. With every upgrade, the device becomes more efficient in supporting health and wellness. Now, the three-in-one core technology of the I-Terahertz device involves terahertz, quantum, and optical quartz. Here's a simple breakdown of each. So first, the terahertz technology, this is a special kind of energy that is between microwave and infrared light. It can penetrate the skin deeply, helping to stimulate blood flow, reduce inflammation, and promote healing. Think of it like a gentle, invisible wave that helps your body repair and rejuvenate from within. Amazing. Second is the quantum technology. This focuses on using energy to improve the body's balance and function at a cellular level. It helps to restore harmony and energy flow within your body. Imagine it as a natural reset button for your body, helping cells work more efficiently and feel better overall. And last but not the least, the optical quartz technology. This is a type of crystal that helps focus and amplify energy. It enhances the effectiveness of the device by creating a clear, focused energy that helps your body absorb the benefits of the other technologies more effectively. It's like a magnifying glass for healing energy, making sure the energy reaches the right places in our bodies. In short, the iTerracare device uses three technologies to work together and support your body's healing process, improve energy flow, and promote overall wellness in easy and natural way. So we have 8 potential benefits of the iTerracare device. First, support cell function. Second, energizes the cells. Third, it promotes natural recovery. Fourth, supports meridian and lymphatic flow. Fifth, enhances microcirculation. Sixth, balances body functions. Seven, supports healthy fluid balance. Eight, promotes relaxation and wellness. Wow! So every time we use the device, we will experience the benefits of it. And for those who are first timers here, what are you waiting for? Grab this amazing device now. So, with that, I would like to share with you some video testimonies of people who have been blessed with this device. Okay, we have here, let's watch this, a little girl who was unable to walk independently without assistance. However, after several therapies using the iTerracare device, her legs became stronger. She can now run and walk. What an amazing transformation indeed.
Come. Hey, hey, come. 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 Come, Israel.
Yes, amazing. Thank you, terahertz frequency. Thank you, Prive. Now, another testimony of a man who experienced difficulty in walking and brain fog, but after days, he almost regained his balance.
There you go. Awesome. Better than yesterday. No more brain fog today, so we're in a good moment. And look at how Millie will go right down the stairs with you. This is adorable. I love this. Well, she's in training. She's got another 2 years of training behind her. You're gonna go with Dad, Millie? Go with Dad. So be fine.
Amazing iTerracare. And now this old lady has a lumbar spinal stenosis, but after a month, no more pain and she can walk and even sleep well. Let's watch this. Amazing indeed. Our device is really amazing. Now, an hour of eye TheraCare therapy is equivalent to 10 times of acupuncture, 20 times of cupping, 30 times of gua sha, and 40 times massage. I'm sure those who love massage will definitely love our device, right? So before and after we start with our iTeracare session, we need to drink warm water first, and we need to charge the water by blowing the glass or the water directly, because when we do that, the water molecule becomes smaller, and from a cluster, it changes into a linear chain that is easily absorbed by our cells. So let's listen to the next video. It's not how much we drink, it's how much we absorb.
It's not how much we drink, it's how much we absorb. I'll repeat that one more time because I know people who drink a lot of water and they drink a lot of Gatorade, they drink a lot of Arrowhead, they drink a lot of spring water, and yet they still have these health challenges. And then we help them out and change their water, and all of a sudden things start to flush away. It's not how much we drink, it's how much we actually absorb, because most of us are drinking and eating foods and beverages that are going right through our body and not going and doing their job. So structured water.
Okay, so again, it's not how much we drink, it's how much we absorb. And so this can also be used to energize our fruits and vegetables, and they are very safe for our pets too. So it's also safe for all ages from 0 to 100 plus years old. Amazing device, right? So we don't need to worry. Again, this is safe, but we have some precautions for people who are pregnant and has menstruation. Okay, so never blow directly to the tummy. And those who have stent, those who have pacemaker, stainless, or implant in the eyes or other areas, open wounds and fractured bones, just don't blow directly. You may blow the other parts of the body instead, okay? So remember, one iTeracare device per household, and make it a part of your family because it brings life to every home. So thank you very much. That ends my product presentation, and back to you, our great host. Thank you.